You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more names that are famous from literature in particular, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Crusoe in English. So it's not Crusoe, it's not a Z sound, it's an S pronunciation. Crusoe. Crusoe. Stress on the first syllable. Famous for being Robinson Crusoe. How to pronounce Crusoe. English pronunciation Crusoe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.